So in activity 4, they say, if you look at this thing here, we have a pyramid which has a base. BC is going to be given by 14. And then CD is given by 14, which means this is a square. And then we're also given the height of the pyramid. They say the height of the pyramid is what? Is 16. So let's go and talk about this thing here. What's missing here? They didn't say anything about the height of the triangle. So we're going to make a 90-degree angle here. And then we're going to talk about this thing here. And then here there's a 90-degree here. Then we tell them, which number one, they say which we should calculate the volume. Yeah? Now, for us to calculate the volume, we need to know what is the formula to calculate the volume of a pyramid, which is going to be V. It's 1/3 multiplied by, since this is a square, we're going to say it's S squared, which is the area of the square, multiplied by capital letter H, which is the height of the pyramid. Everyone is happy there. And then if you proceed with this, you have 1/3 multiplied by 14 all squared, multiplied by our height. It's going to be 16. And then you type this, what do you get as your answer? 1,045. 1,045.33. So what should I write here? Meter, centimeter, centimeters cube. Yes. Okay, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3. We're done with number 1. Now let's go to number 2. On number 2, they say calculate the surface area. Now, when they say, they didn't say the surface area of the outer part, they just said calculate the surface area. Now, what did we say? We said the surface area is going to look like we have 4 triangles. So if you are to draw a rough sketch of this thing, how does it look like? Here's how it looks like. You have the base, you have triangle number 1, you have triangle number 2, you have triangle number 3, and then you have triangle number 4. So, what is it that we're going to have in this case? We're going to say SA is going to be equal to 4 triangles, which is going to be 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the perpendicular. Plus, we have the surface area of, we also have the square. How we get the square? I'm going to tell them with this one, it's a square. Now, what is the problem with this thing here? We don't know what is the height. Check here. We know the height of the pyramid, but we don't know the height of the triangle. But we just saw with this one here, if we talk about this triangle here, this one here, it gives us something that has the height of the pyramid, it has the height of the triangle, and then it also has half the base. So we're going to take out that one and say this one, it looks like this. Here's what we have. We have 90 degrees, we have capital letter H, we have small letter h, and then here we have 7. Just going to call it 7. Because it's half of 14. What is half of 14? Half of 14 is going to be what? 7. But this h here is given. This one is given as well as 16. Are we always going to be given the height of the pyramid? No, we can be given the height of the triangle. So now we'll have to find the height of the what? Of the pyramid. So moving on from here, we are going to tell them which using theorem of Pythagoras, which makes our h to be the hypotenuse side, small letter h to be our hypotenuse side. We are going to have something that looks like this. It says h squared is going to be 7 all squared plus 16. 16 all squared. And then you say square root, you say square root. What do you get as your height? 17,1,46. This one is centimeters. Okay, now we go to the surface area formula. Here's our surface area formula, is centimeters. Yeah, centimeters. So after this is just a matter of substituting. Go and sub. What do you have? Number 1, you have 4. So you say SA is going to be equal to 4. 1/2. What is the base? Is it 7 or 14? 7. What is our base? 7 or 14? 14. It's 14. Multiplied by, what is our perpendicular height? It's 17,1,46. Okay. After that, we have close bracket plus our square. What is the side of each square? It's 14 all square. Okay, what you get is your answer? 684, 88. Okay, what should I write? Centimeter squared or centimeter cubed? Yeah, we're done with this one.